cold streets breathe into my skin. I walk with ghosts, I call my friends. Every lie feels counterfeit. Every prayer tastes like regret. I trace my path in shattered glass. Every step repeats the past. Walls remember every scream I buried deep inside of me. I learned to laugh, I learned to lie, just to keep tonight. Inside a run, the ground pulled back. Every road attacks my chest. If this is home, I can tell me why. I feel more dead than I am alive. I'm choking on the air I breathe. This place won't set me free. It built me up to watch me bleed. Now I'm a name no one will name. I nothing answers me. Nothing answers me. Rain drums guilt into my bones. Every silence feels like home. I count my sins in passing lights. Blink twice, pretend I'm fine. The ground beneath me knows my way and waits for me to break. I try to change, I try to heal, but hope your option doesn't feel. Stay strong like it's a cure, while everything inside is torn. I'm choking on the air I breathe. This place won't set me free. Until my pain is recognized. Now I'm just static in the same. I scream. Everything answers me. Try to solve up time. You're done fucking love. Every road leads back like a loaded gun. I said on I come. If I fade into the night, will anyone remember why I gave my youth to concrete things, just to feel something again? I'm choking on the air I breathe. Just cry right there. This place once set me free. Won't take with me. I loved until it buried me. Now I'm the ruin left in me. No escape, just quieter pain. Same streets, different name. I don't heal, I just learn to stay.